So the discussion continues. Sunah Husakal Jakaho Subhavu Jana Busundi Shambhugiri Javu. He's saying, Sri Ram is speaking now. He says, listen, my friend, Sunu Sakha. Listen, my friend. He says, while I declare to you my very nature. What is the nature of Sri Ram? He will tell us. He says, my nature is known to Kakusundaji, to Shambhu Lord Shiva, and to Gaura Parvati. My nature is known to them. What is that nature? He will tell us. Jauna da hoi characha da drohi, avai sabhai sadanat mohi. He's saying, he says, even if a man should be the enemy of all animate and inanimate, animate, living, inanimate, non-living. He says if a man is an enemy of the entire creation, so to speak, right? If he comes trembling to me, looks to me for protection, and he continues. If a person, no matter what he is, comes to me in this fashion, when he fully recognizes me, then what happens? He will tell us what are the qualities that are necessary to come to him. And remember, the Lord knows the hearts of all people. He's in indweller of all hearts. He's under Jami. He dwells there. So he knows what you are thinking. He knows everything about you. So he continues. Remember what he says? Whoever comes to me in this fashion, what does he do? Tells him this so far.